QuData.com.
Hello and welcome to the QuData channel. Today we'll be looking at the style reference feature in Leonardo AI, which allows you to transfer styles from one image to another. Follow these steps to master the process and improve your creative projects. Let's start by creating the image you want. Compose a prompt and add your preferred settings. For best results, use Cinematic Keynote or a lifelike vision. Add a style reference image. Click the button on the left side of the prompt box and select Style Reference from the menu, then upload or select an existing image from your personal feed and click Confirm. Set the strength of the style reference of your reference image to low, medium, high, ultra, or max. Start with the default high and adjust as needed. Click Create to create a new image with the style transferred from your reference image. Experiment with different settings to see how each affects the final image. To avoid unwanted elements, adjust the hint, adjust the style transfer intensity, or use a similar reference image. Subscribe to our channel, smash that like button and see you in our next videos. Happy creating!